Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KBLB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very nice movement today. And I realize there is a perspective that goes into that. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're some sort of day trader, flipper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought up around there, well then yeah, from that point of view, it was not a good day for you. But I am making those comments based off of the people that care about more so the big picture of things. And from the big picture, the price did a great job of getting up above and breaking this level of resistance I've talked about in several past videos down here at 12.5, and that brings about the first update that needs to be done. And this is just an update based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 12.5 cents, one of the newest areas of support. The ideal level of support going forward, when you say, hey Clay, what makes this chart look the absolute strongest? That would be if the price can stay up there above 13.5. But don't get me wrong, and it's not like if the price falls below 13.5, then that implies the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could stay above 13.5, that would definitely be a huge sign of power. Taking a look at all of this from the grand scheme of things, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. How you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 13.5, that would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as sellers and resistance levels, initial level right there at the 15-cent mark. Next key general area after that, nothing fancy other than where the party stopped today, right up there just shy of 16.5. So let's just call it 16.5. So 15 and then 16.5. Next couple areas of resistance going forward, but all in all, no doubt about it, very nice movement today. Great way to start off the week. So we'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.